Inspirage in the on-prem world were really the reference engine for so many of Oracle's great supply chain stories, and we've really made that transition into the cloud. A lot of our install base now are moving to the cloud across various sectors. High tech is really big for us. Industrial manufacturing, we get a lot of momentum. Consumer goods, life sciences, all of the product-based industries that have significant challenges and requirements in supply chain are all now looking to the cloud. The conversation used to be, are we going to move there? If we're going to move there? Now it's really a case of when we're going to move there. A lot of the customers now are looking at supply chain as a competitive advantage, but they're also looking at the new supply chain cloud applications as an ability to improve their processes, increase productivity, reduce costs, and then start to leverage a lot of the digital technologies, IoT, blockchain, artificial intelligence, robotic process automation. In fact, pretty much every customer we talk to now has a digital strategy along with this transformation to cloud for supply chain management. From an Oracle perspective, they have the most complete suite of applications in the market and also the whole technology stack to go with it. Oracle really can't be touched.